other than the fact I got the little tab of my bolt stuck underneath the nut. Okay, so here's one we haven't mentioned in a while that's almost done, but, and I have appropriately re-nicknamed this truck from the Thunder truck to Thunder Bunny. Because with that color blue, it kind of reminds me of bunnies. So, this is a little truck we put the 6.2 in. The 6.2 is done. Nick Rutledge, we were doing a little bit of tuning with the transmission. He's gonna come over today and we're gonna do some more tuning on it. But here's what we've done so far. So it's got a 6.2 and an 8-speed. We just put, since this is the budget build kind of deal, so this particular truck we didn't do like we're gonna do on my black one, where I'm gonna do the Alden shocks. It's already been lowered, but this truck sets up like a 4-wheel drive. So I just ordered the Rough Country 2.4 leveling kit, which is what we're doing right now. But what we have done to it is 6.2, we did the Texas Speed cam, lifters, DOD delete, all that stuff. Right here. Shine it up in here. Can you see him? We did the hooker head, the hooker exhaust, hooker headers with the, hang on. Let me, with the Pro Flow. Is that what they're calling that? Ooh, I never did pull that plastic off of there.
So we thought we were smelling tires frying.
Oh no, it was tires frying too. But we did melt some plastic onto this thing. So with the this new Flow X exhaust system, this catback system they've done. Now, I have eliminated the cats on this. And here's the thing, since now the EPA has came down on a lot of the companies, well, actually all of them. I had an old Stainless Works kit before the EPA started trying to teach us how to fucking be better to ourselves and the environment. And that has nothing to do with tree huggers, but it does. But you used to be able to get this exhaust, which I actually took a bunch of pieces of exhaust and pieced this one together to where it is cat deleted. I don't live in California and I'm not a libtard. So, cat deleted. We kind of basically took some pieces off an old exhaust system and pieced this one together. Back to the 3-inch, back to the, and really it's a moderate to loud sound. On the twin turbo Gibbs truck, I'm actually fixing to do this exhaust with a dual inlet outlet muffler. And we're gonna run the turbos, because I think with the turbos, this thing will sound really good. We're a little rich.
Clarification, this one's not getting turbos.
No, this is not getting turbo. Rick wanted to put a turbo on it, but the whole idea behind this truck was let's start doing these packages of if somebody either had a V6 truck or I found a V6 truck, slide a 6.2 and an 8-speed in it. We're trying to make this a simple kind of package for people. So that's why I went with the Rough Country 2.4 drop. So we're fixing to do the 4 drop. We just did the 2 drop. And later today, Nick's coming over. We've been programming on the transmission. We're fixing to do a little bit of engine tuning, then we're going to stick it on the dyno. We're going to see what the Texas Speed camshaft, because these motors are 420 or 430 horse stock. So I kind of feel like with the Texas Speed camshaft package we put in it, the DOD delete, the headers, the exhaust, and all that, I'm hoping we make 525, somewhere around in there at the axle. We'll find out. We'll put it on the hub dyno later today, and we'll find out. But there's the update. Now we're going to flip the rear end in this baby. And we're going to set her down so she don't look like a 4-wheel driven.